You knew it was coming, guys. Today's video, we're going to be talking about Chisell. Chisell's a chewable and is a sponsor in today's video. I am very proud of this, to know that I managed to get a sponsorship, considering I'm a small channel. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this. I'm interrupting this video to let you guys know that there's going to be a giveaway in this video. There's going to be a hidden code somewhere in this video. It's going to flash somewhere. I'm not even going to tell you. Once you find that code, enter it in the giveaway, and you'll be chosen for a chance to win your choice of either regular bite or light bite chisel. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get on to the real video. Because I gotta say, their first version, and this is my honest opinion, was shit. It literally was the worst product I have ever tried. It broke in a week. I don't know what they were thinking. Why did they release a product that just did not held up? It did not, like, I chewed it in a week and I broke through it. It literally like tore into little pieces. And I gave the company my feedback, and they listened to me. Actually, they said, look, we're gonna work on it more. We're not gonna make another product till we make a good one. So I was like, all right, I'll believe it when I see it. And then they finally contacted me and they sent me a free box to review. I wasn't really thinking it was going to be much of an upgrade, because, like, how can you upgrade a chewable? And I gotta say, I was surprised to find that this is probably the best chewable on the market today. You're going to find out what I think of Chisell 2.0. Thanks. Okay, guys, so we're going to go opening Chisell's first one, Light Bite. And I'm going to explain that in a minute. But first, we're just going to unbox this. Right off the bat, Chisell's box looks quite sleek. It's made of quite hard cardboard. I don't know what it's like. It feels like a bookcase. It feels like the same material they use in a bookcase. And we're just going to unbox this for you guys. So I want to show you guys that. So when you open it up, I mean, come on. The presentation looks pretty good. It's almost Apple-like. They're like the Apple of the chewing company industry. No lie. The case, it looks pretty cool. It's made of a hard plastic. I don't know if you can see that. It feels harder than plastic. This is a very high quality plastic, for sure. It's pretty cool. And so here's the chewables. They're pretty tough. I'll show you me chewing these in a minute. Coming out, they do have some accessories. Yeah, they got some like before and afters on the product itself. I don't know if you can see that. And they also have like a chance for you to join their jaw training competition. Sounds weird, but I mean, you could win a gift card, so why not? They also got like kind of like it's kind of cringe, but a workout program for chewing. Like, you can mark it. I mean, it's awesome, but it's kind of cringy, you know what I mean? They say apparently you can even put this in mouthwash to make it minty, which is pretty cool. I'll go ahead and get the other version they have. Alright, so they got another one right here they sent me. Regular bites. Yep, beige. Looks more like army green. Hope you can see that. But same material, you know, you get the gist. Let's see how much tougher these are. I haven't really checked this one out. Oh, this is way tougher. I can barely squeeze that. Yeah, man, this is gonna give you a good workout. If you want something that's tough, it's gonna last you, this one's for you. Oh yeah, that's way tougher actually, man. That's crazy. What's interesting about the 2.0 version, I'll try to focus it, look, is the ergonomics. The way they have it set. They have it set so your molars will set right here and your teeth won't slide. It won't slide around in your mouth. You can grip it, and it won't, like, these holes won't suck your cheeks either. They've really upped their game. It's crazy. Now I'll show you the light bite too, because I'm sure you want to see an up close version of both. So see how much I can squeeze this one. This is the light bite. I can squeeze this, squeeze that way better, and then I can hardly squeeze that one. That's the regular bite. So light bite, regular bite. Pretty cool. So here's the 1.0. It is a metal case, so it is slightly a downgrade compared to the material they're using now. But this is a very hard plastic. I would say it's more of a polycarbonate. I don't think it's more of one of the soft plastics. It's definitely hard. But it is a metal case. It does look, I mean, to be honest, this looks a little tacky. I mean, it's bent up because I've had it for so long. I've had it for like almost half a year, the 1.0. But we'll go ahead and show you. I'm gonna see if it's still in here. Yeah, I have their first version, their regular bite, and then there's, look how small these are. Let me show you I'll just show you the white one versus the white one now. So this is 1.0 right here versus, oh, why is there hair on it? What the fuck? This is 1.0 versus their 2.0. Huge difference. And look how much softer this is. Like, you can, it's so bad. Like, I could literally, you can already see a tear into it. Hugely. I'm telling you, it's worth the money compared to this. This shit right here. I'm sorry, Chisell. I mean, you gotta erase history with this one, because this was shit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate how to chew it. It's getting cold in here. I live in a garage, so you know, when you use Chisell 2.0, you basically just chew it. And you chew it really good. I feel like it's a good workout compared to the first one, because I can go ahead and show you. I'm sure I showed you in the first part of it, but you can see the huge difference in the squeezing power, and their regular bite on the first one is extremely hard. But their light bite is, what am I saying, man? Their yeah, it says light bite, because see, it's confusing because they called this a regular bite before their first one, and their light bite is like a regular bite. It's crazy. Now this is their 2.0 version. And you just chew. Oh yeah, so much tougher. I like this one personally. So yeah, I feel like this is stylish, you know. Sorry, I don't want to be chewing and talking, but you know, you got this one. This looks kind of tacky. I mean, I'll be honest. Like, it's metal. It's a lot tougher, but it's a lot more tackier. It does not look. It's like if I pulled this out in public, I'm like, yeah, I'm chewing. What are you doing? We're just chewing a gum, you know? Just don't mind me. Are you dipping? No, I'm chewing a gum. What do you mean? It ain't gum. It's Chisell. What the hell is Chisell? Chisell. This looks a lot more presentable. It's like if I pulled this out, it feels a lot better. Like this is like, it's like compared to the other one, I'm like, what are you chewing? Just chewing some gum, bro. You know me. It definitely seems more presentable. I feel like I'm getting more for my money, even though this one is there's obviously a material loss in it. You know, they use metal and now they use plastic, but I definitely feel like this is more well designed. They actually put some effort in designing the packaging and stuff. So I do have an affiliate link for these products. If you want to support my channel and buy your own set, they have a website to help support the channel by using my code. Overall, I'm going to say they really stepped their game up. This is a lot more presentable. I feel okay with sharing this on my channel. Their 1.0 version, man, I literally thought it was pathetic. Like, you know, if I was going to... It was pathetic, man. It was pathetic. It really listened to the fans. They improved their product, and that's what counts to me. Would I give you a approval? Would I say Chisell's in a good improvement? Would I say chew Chisell? I'm going to say yes. 90% yes. The other 10%, I feel like they need to make a third product. They need to make a, they got light bite, they got regular bite, they need to make a God bite. And then I'll say it's 100%. I'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.